Hey guys, welcome back. It's Irvin here. Welcome to our weekly analysis for the week of August 1st to the 5th. So I took off the entire month of July, guys, of trading. I think I trade a few times USD30 as a sell, and then I took a buy. Other than that, I took off the remainder of the month, being in vacation with the family and some friends. But welcome to our Forex weekly analysis. Let's go ahead and review the market, and let's see if we find opportunity this brand new month of August. So we're gonna go ahead and start, guys, with one of the most tradable pair that a lot of traders trade, and that it is EURGBP. Pay close attention what GBP is doing, guys. EURGBP is very important to always check your dashboard. The dashboard will be giving you the answer of what the market is doing. So all we are reading right now on the daily time frame is letting me know, hey Irvin, I'm in a sell position. That's exactly what the market is doing. Look at that. Market is selling. The weekly time frame is also selling. Your monthly time frame is also selling. So it seems like the market right now is selling. But here is it on the 4 hours, is showing that we are on a what? We are on a buy position. So if the sellers are if the daily is selling, why is the buyers on the 4 hours going against them? So that represent, guys, a pullback. So pullback is valid. And here, if you pay attention here, here's your multiple time frame letting us know the market is doing a retracement. It's doing a pullback going against the sellers. So market right, or I can think this coming week, guys, market already came and retest your previous multiple time frame in here. So market still has potential to come back and retest this previous multiple time frame arrow here, which is gonna retest between your 23 and your 38 Fibonacci level, and then from there market will continue selling down, and then it's gonna do another small retracement. But why sell it? Why is doing a pullback, guys? Pay close attention. So I'm gonna be breaking down this pair with all the pairs that I'm gonna give you this week, guys, slowly, so you can understand. If there's any pair that I'm missing on this weekly analysis, please let me know or send me a private telegram. The link is on the description of this video, and I will go ahead and review, you know, whatever pair you ask for. Okay, I can do maybe a minute, 2-minute video so you can learn. So never forget, guys, that the sellers are in charge. Here's your multiple time frames stating that we are selling. Our TW sniper entry is selling. So when the TW sniper entry showed up, if it's selling, it's gonna give you a red stare showing you the market is only selling at this present time. So that's why you're seeing here on the pullback there is no green arrow. So dots, I'm sorry, the dots are this one. There's no green dots here letting you know the master trend right at this present time is an uptrend. No, it's only selling. So all the market is doing right now is only taking a pullback. Okay, fair enough. So let me see if you guys can understand the next pair, guys. The next pair that I have for you is one of the most tradable pair in the world, and that is EURUSD. The EURUSD is doing what it's doing. Take a few minutes, guys, see if you can figure out what the market is doing. I'm gonna still break it down. I'm still gonna break it down, but take your time, review it, and see if you can figure out what the market is doing. All right, so fair enough. Look at that. Look at your daily and 4 hours is saying. It's saying what? It's saying the market is in a buy position. So far we're in a good start, right? That's why you always want to see on the market. You always want to see the daily and 4 hours match. Once those two time frame match, you do have an entry. All right. So what I'm seeing here, guys, this is what I'm seeing at this present time. So multiple time frame is right on it, saying that yes, it's valid. The buy position is valid. The white arrow is also valid, saying yes, we are in an uptrend. Your TW sniper entry is also saying that we are on what? We are on that buy position. So where is the stair going? Look at the stairs. Look at that. Boom, 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 boom. And where is the stair going? I want to know. Where's the stair going, guys? Where is the stairs going? Let me see if I can put that volume here. All right, can you guys hear me now? All right. Perfect. So the stairs is going up, right? So this is my understanding for the market. To be honest, EURUSD it seems like it's going what? It's going sideways, right? That's what it's saying. But overall, where's the market heading? Look at here. Look at what the system is letting us know. Market is bullish. If you put a sell on EURUSD right now, you will be regretting it. The market, the trend is the trend. The trend will not change. I cannot change it. Neither you, neither your friend, neither any coach, no one. The market is always gonna be right. So this is my understanding at this point right now. Market still bullish, like I said, so market still has potential to come back and retest the same entry, multiple touches in here. The market may do a small retracement and finally will break out of this box here and boom, we'll continue on that uptrend because the market here is bullish. Fair enough? Let me know, guys, if you guys have any question or you want me to review any pair. I did took off the month of July, guys. I took a lot of vacation. I was enjoying my family. We had a sister birthday. We had a surprise. It was just an amazing time off. It made me think a lot about, you know, the market, and so it's just a blessing, to be honest. And right now I just, you know, I got what, 3 days back from vacation, and so I start working on a project here in the house, and the USD30 is paying for that project. So if you trade with rules, discipline is everything, guys. If you have discipline, you will succeed in life. If you think you will do a shortcut to discipline, forget about it. You're on the wrong business, you're on the wrong side of the world, and everything will collapse. All right, let's review the next pair, guys. The next pair that I want to give you guys here is EURAUD. You do it. I want you to do it. Take your time, guys. I'm not rushing you. I'm not doing anything. Look at how beautiful the TW sniper entry is showing in there. But pay close attention to the dashboard. The dashboard is very important because you need to pay attention what time frame you are planning to trade. So if you do see here on the dashboard is already contradicting, right? So you are fighting a war that does not belong to you. So if the daily time frame is saying, Irvin, I'm in a sell position, but the 4 hours is saying, Irvin, I'm in a buy position. I'm sorry, if the daily is saying I'm in a sell position, right? If the 4 hours is saying I'm in a buy position, what is wrong in here? Look at these arrows here that I'm drawing here, guys. Let me see if I can put my mouse in here. And let me see. I don't remember how to do this. Let me see. Yeah, there you go. Look at that. Can you guys see that? Why is that arrow contradicting? It's very important for you guys to understand, guys. This represents the market is doing it's commencing a pullback. That's what it's doing. So we already know what the larger time frame are doing, right? They're not communicating each other. So we need to look for our multiple time frame to go in the same direction of our TWE. So here it is. Look at that. Boom. Saying what? Saying that we are on a sell position. Oh, yeah. Look at what the TW sniper entry is doing. It's telling us, hey Irvin, the market, it is selling. That is exactly what the market is doing. Look at the stairs, guys. Remember what I said in the previous analysis that I gave you guys? I said that the stairs, once it shows up in a dot like this, the market is only dropping. So if the market is dropping, why is the 4 hours saying that we are in a buy position? This is a brand new, remember, we are in a brand new month. We are in August. So this is what I'm expecting to see in the month of August. The month of August will doing a pullback, retesting your 23 to your 38 Fibonacci level. It's gonna come to this high here. Look at here, and let me draw it for you. So it's gonna come here. Oops, let me do it differently. Let me delete this, and we're gonna create a box. Look at this one. It's gonna come and retest this. Look, it already did. Look at here. Here's your multiple time frame. Here's your multiple time frame again. Here's your multiple time frame again. Here's your multiple time frame again. So the market came and ready to retest this area here. So what is happening here? Market's still gonna go on that pullback, retesting this 23 to your 38 Fibonacci level. Then from here, don't forget the market here, it is selling, so the market will continue as a sell position, retesting this previous low here. Then boom, market will take off. Look at the potential that we are seeing here, guys. Hopefully everybody get to see this green line here. Look at this green line here. This is the potential of the market is gonna be hitting. So if the market works out, so we are expecting to see tons of pips coming up. Look at here. We are expecting to see about 800 pips coming up for EURAUD as a buy position. The sector is not ready there yet, but there is a huge opportunity coming up on EURAUD. So be on the lookout, educate yourself. If you guys want me to teach you how to trade, guys, let me know in the comment below, send me a private message. But there's one thing that I need to let everybody know is the following, guys. Please, guys, do not trade any money you cannot afford to lose. This business is very awesome. You can win huge. At the same time, you can blow your account. So if you don't know how to trade, let me know. I will be more than happy to help you out. You know, we can do maybe a one-on-one this coming Tuesday. So you can learn how to trade and so on. The only thing you need to have it is multiple time frame. All right, so the link to get in touch with me is on the description of this video. Same thing, it is on our website. All right, so let's move forward to the next pair of the week, guys. This is a brand new week, guys. Just remember, we are reviewing our Forex weekly analysis for the week of August 1st to the 5th 2022. All right, so let's go ahead and review another amazing pair that the entire world trade, guys, and that it is USDJPY. Pay close attention to this one. All right, so I want you to do this one, guys. Take your time. This is very simple, very easy pair to analyze. There's no way that you're gonna get confused. It's just meant to be. So first thing first, look at your dashboard. Boom! Look at what 4 hours a daily is doing. Oh my goodness, it's doing exactly. It's doing a sell position. Look at that 4 hours and daily. It's telling you we are selling. It's telling you. So you already have an answer right here on USDJPY. Look at how simple it is. Step 1, boom, it's selling. Okay, step 2, what is your multiple time frame doing? Oh, it's selling. What is your Y multiple time frame is doing? Oh, it's selling. What is your TW sniper entry stand? Oh, it's selling. Look, what is the stair doing? Oh, selling. Look at here, look at the arrow. Red arrow, boom, selling. Red arrow, boom, selling. So what's the market doing? You already knew it. It was so damn simple. So market is selling. And if it's selling, what is the continuation of the trend for the remainder of this coming week? This is me, guys. Market still has potential to come back and drop another probably 30-40 more pips. That's one. Another potential, I'm gonna do it with you here live because it's very important for you to understand. Here's a multiple time frame, right? Let me change the color of this. Let me change it in aqua. I like aqua because it's better, to be honest. Let's change the thickness. Yeah, let's do that. No, actually, yeah, you know what? Let's change it. Let me change this. Look, I'm doing it with you. So we're gonna change it a different color. Maybe we're gonna change it in magenta. I love magenta. All right, so there it is. Look at that. So market still has potential to do that, or if it did respect that level here, because it's selling. Bottom line here, I'm telling you what the market is expecting to do. I'm not giving you any signal, nothing like that, but I'm expecting the market to come to the level. If it did respect that level, we'll come back and retest this second level here. and that it is a continuation of that sell. So you have two ways to take this market. So step one is here. Step two, from here you will get a pullback, retesting the same level, same thing. It's just gonna connect to this long legs in here. So all I'm seeing is the market to drop, take a small break, retest this previous high here, and then which is your 61 to your 78. Then the market will continue as a sell because the market is selling. That's exactly what I'm seeing. If anyone here is seeing something else on the market, maybe we can do a class together on Tuesday, and you can say, you know what, Irvin, on USDJPY, this is what I was seeing. I would like to know more why you thought the market was gonna sell instead of going bullish. Whatever is in your mind, I'm here to help. Let's work as a team and let's get educated. You know, just remember, all we need to do, guys, is we need to respect ourselves. That's it. All right. Let's move on to the next pair, guys. The next pair that I have for you guys, it is GBP USD. Oof, look at this, beautiful, guys. This is gorgeous. This is amazing. But there is one big problem, guys. There is a huge problem on GBP USD. Hopefully you can catch the issue here. What do you think it is? Look at what I already teach you guys how to look for setup. Look at the dashboard. It's contradicting. Daily 4 hours contradicting. So you are on a war already. You are in trouble. So if you are in trouble in this pair, don't trade it. Look for another better opportunity. But I'm still gonna analyze this one because it's important for you to understand. So now pay close attention here. Multiple time frame is saying what? I'm in a buy. IY arrow is also saying we're in a buy. Our TW sniper entry is also saying a buy. Look at the dots. Where's the dots going? They're going up. Look at the arrow up. And that is exactly what the market is doing. The market is bullish. That's what the daily time frame is telling us here. But the 4 hours is saying otherwise. 4 hours is saying, hey Irvin, guess what? I will be doing a sell. So if it's telling you the market is gonna be selling, so that represent a what? What is this sales here represent? That is a pullback. So market will be giving us a pullback, retesting your 50 to your 38 Fibonacci levels here. So it's gonna come to this level here, and then market will resume back to business because we are in here in a buy position. The market will continue as a buy position. So if you guys don't want to trade ever pullback, just don't do it. Wait for the small retracement to finish, and then take back off on the same original destination of the trend, because that's the easy way to trade, to be honest. All right, what do you guys think so far, guys? Any question? What is in your mind? Hopefully everything makes sense to you. All we're doing here, guys, we are reviewing our Forex weekly analysis. We do free videos. We do classes every Tuesday or Thursday or whenever you have questions. So come in, let's learn together, and let's finish this amazing 2022 making hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips. Let's go, guys. So I want to thank everybody, guys. Hopefully everybody has some time off on July. So I'm back and we are on August. So take care, guys. I love you, and I will see you guys back on the next episode. Peace out.